Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the chapter power sharing. Yesterday we learned the term power sharing with its different forms, and we gave you the examples of this power sharing. Today we will learn the reasons of power sharing in the Indian context. Dear students, there are two sets of reasons which could be given in favor of power sharing, and these reasons are as prudential reason. It means that prudential reason of power sharing says that power sharing reduces the chance of conflict between social groups in the country, where a number of linguistic, ethnic, and religious groups reside. Because of result of social conflict comes in the form of political instability and violence. This power sharing helps in number of ways to increase the stability of political order. प्यारे बच्चों, आप जानते हो कि पावर शेयरिंग जो है, जब ये बांटा जाता है, पावर जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जाते हैं, तो इनसे क्या हो जाता है? इनसे हो जाता है कि कन्फ्लिक्ट जो होते हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. जनरली in past we saw the monarchy type of government system in which only one man's show was seen. The one person could do whatever he tried, whatever he thought. But in modern democracies we have now new set of this government power sharing. We share our powers from top to bottom up to ground level, so that these conflicts may not occur, and similarly all the sects of the society would get the chance of development and to produce their ideas. This was prudential reason. Now another reason of power sharing is moral reason. This reason of power sharing is good for modern democracies. In democracy, power is shared between the people who exercise the power which is vested in their hands, and power is shared between the people on whom this power is being exercised. Basic principle of moral reason says that all political parties get power in coalition government. Decentralization of power, and everyone has the say in the decision-making process. It means that in modern democracies, this power is shared among the people who or the natives of the same state or the same country. This power is being exercised for the benefit of the people. Under this category, I mean, under this moral reason, all political parties get power in coalition government. You know, modern democracies are more in coalition type, and under this government, the powers are shared between all these coalition members, these parties. Decentralization of power, and everyone has the say in the decision making process. Under such system, everybody takes the decision for the benefit, for the development, for the prosperity of the nation, which includes the people of high standard living and the people of low standard living, or we can say the powers are distributed equally from top to bottom or from bottom to top. So my dear students, this was all about today's lesson. Let's go ahead tomorrow inshallah. Thank you very much.